Let me ask you, how long does payroll take in your shop? If the answer is something along the lines of longer than it should, or I'd rather clean and retape nameplates all day long, well, then you're not alone, but you don't have to stay stuck. Today, I'm breaking down 3 moves that can cut your payroll workload and give your managers and technicians valuable time back. It's Craig here. Welcome to CCC's Run My Business series, where we take the chaos out of collision repair and replace it with confidence. I don't need to tell you, but I will. Your technicians are being approached all the time about moving to another shop. Here is a quote from that Ducker Carlisle report I mentioned in the previous episode. Quote, "Collision technicians are regularly being recruited by competing shops. Nearly a third of respondents reported that they are recruited once a month or more frequently. If a technician is dissatisfied with their career outlook at their current shop, they can easily find work elsewhere." End quote. It's been my experience that the shops that have the highest retention rate are the shops that have technicians that are happy and not even entertaining those offers. A move is disruptive to your shop and to the technician. Nobody likes to see a toolbox getting strapped down to a flatbed and moved to a competitor, right? One way to keep them, take the friction out of payroll. So let's look at 3 ways to do just that. Step 1, give technicians mobile access to pay sheets. Your technicians shouldn't need to track you down to know what they're getting paid. If you watched the previous episode about boosting trust, then you heard me mention the following. Let them check their flagged hours and jobs right from their phone. It cuts interruptions and builds trust without extra meetings. Plus, it keeps managers focused on production and not payroll paperwork. Step 2, go digital with pay adjustments. If a technician notices an issue with their pay, a quick handwritten note or hallway conversation just isn't enough. A lot happens in a walk from the front office to the yard and back. It's a lot to remember, and not everything sticks. Instead, set up a digital system for pay adjustments. It streamlines communication, keeps everyone accountable, and removes the guesswork. Fewer mistakes, faster resolutions. Step 3, centralize approvals to save time. Managing payroll across multiple systems or worse on spreadsheets creates delays. With a centralized approval system, everything is in one place. Track, approve, and audit adjustments with a few clicks. For many of you that have an accounting and payroll department separate from your shop, trust me, they will thank you. Streamlining payroll isn't just about saving time. It's about showing your team you're running a tight ship. Use these 3 steps to keep your payroll lean, clean, and technician approved. Number 1, give technicians mobile access to pay sheets to build trust. Number 2, use digital pay adjustments for faster problem solving. And number 3, centralize approvals to save time. Hit that like button, subscribe for more, and grab the tools we mentioned using the link in the description. See you next time.